Ever sat on a plane, wedged into your seat, and watched that one passenger who just seems to have it all figured out? They're calm, organized, and already settling in with a look of pure serenity, while everyone else is wrestling with overhead bins and tangled headphone cords. What's their secret? It's not magic, and it's not first-class privilege. It's a finely tuned system they execute the moment they step on board. I've flown hundreds of times, crisscrossing the globe for both work and adventure, and I've seen it all. I've noticed the distinct patterns that separate stressed out flyers from the truly smart travelers. The difference isn't what they pack, it's what they do in those first 10 minutes after boarding a plane. And today, I'm sharing their secret playbook. If you implement just a few of these 11 things, you will transform your travel experience. You'll never dread a flight again. Here's what every smart traveler does the moment they step onto that plane. Number 11, the immediate essentials locked down. Before they even think about their bigger carry-on, smart travelers perform a swift, crucial maneuver. They secure their absolute must-haves: passport, wallet, phone, and a single pair of headphones. Why? Because these are the high-stakes items. Losing a jacket is an inconvenience. Losing a passport is a catastrophe. Instead of leaving them in a coat pocket or a backpack that's about to go into the overhead bin, they designate a single, secure spot for them. This could be a zippered pocket in their pants, a small crossbody bag they keep on their body, or a specific, easily accessible compartment in the bag that will go under the seat. This simple act accomplishes two things. It guarantees these items are safe and within reach, and more importantly, it clears their mind. With the essentials locked down, they can focus on the next steps without that nagging background anxiety. Number 10, the 2-minute sanitation sweep. Let's be honest, airplanes are public transportation in the sky. While they are cleaned between flights, the turnaround can be fast. Smart travelers don't leave their health to chance. They come prepared with antibacterial wipes and conduct a targeted 2-minute sweep of their personal zone. They don't just give the tray table a lazy wipe. They hit all the high-touch surfaces: the armrests, the seatbelt buckle and latch, the touchscreen entertainment system, the window shade, and even the overhead air vent nozzle. This isn't about being a germaphobe. It's about control and comfort. Taking a moment to create a clean, personal space allows you to relax more deeply, knowing you've minimized your exposure to whatever the last 100 passengers left behind. It's a small ritual that pays huge dividends in peace of mind. Number 9, strategic carry-on placement. Watch a chaotic boarding process and you'll see the same mistake over and over. People trying to jam oversized bags into the overhead bin while blocking the entire aisle. Smart travelers have a 2-part system. Their main carry-on, containing clothes and items they won't need until landing, goes into the overhead bin as quickly as possible. But their second, smaller item, a backpack or tote, is their in-flight command center. Before stowing the big bag, they pull out everything they'll need for the flight: a book, a tablet, a water bottle, snacks, a neck pillow. These items go into the smaller bag, which is then placed neatly under the seat in front of them. This is one of the most effective travel hacks. It gives them instant access to everything they need without ever having to stand up and disrupt their neighbors to wrestle with the overhead bin mid-flight. Number 8, the pre-flight systems check. Have you ever tried to recline your seat or open your tray table only to find it's jammed or broken? Discovering this 3 hours into a flight is frustrating. A smart traveler does a quick systems check before the cabin door even closes. They'll gently test the recline button to ensure it works. They'll unlatch and latch the tray table to check its stability. They'll tap the entertainment screen to make sure it's responsive. They'll check for a working USB port or power outlet. If anything is broken, they have the opportunity to discreetly flag down a flight attendant and potentially be moved to a different seat. Finding a problem early on is proactive. Finding it mid-flight is just a complaint. This quick check ensures their little bubble of personal space is fully functional for the journey ahead. Number 7, proactive hydration. The air inside an airplane cabin is notoriously dry, often with humidity levels lower than the Sahara Desert. This dehydration is a major contributor to fatigue, headaches, and jet lag. While most passengers wait for the drink cart to slowly make its way down the aisle an hour after takeoff, smart travelers start hydrating immediately. They board with a full reusable water bottle, filled up after security of course, and start drinking it right away. Getting a head start on hydration combats the effects of the dry cabin air before they even begin. It keeps keeps your energy levels up, your skin feeling better, and your body more resilient for the flight. By the time the first drink service arrives, they're already ahead of the game and can use that opportunity to top up. Number 6, the in-seat stretch and settle. You don't need to do full-on yoga in the aisle to stay comfortable. Smart travelers know that the key to avoiding stiffness and discomfort is to get settled properly from the very beginning. Once their bags are stowed and their space is sanitized, they take a moment to adjust their posture. They might place a small pillow or a rolled-up jacket behind their lower back for lumbar support. They'll discreetly roll their ankles, stretch their neck from side to side, and shrug their shoulders to release any tension from the rush of getting to the gate. They arrange their legroom, ensuring no bags or stray items are cramping their feet. This isn't about contorting yourself, it's about consciously inhabiting your space and setting your body up for a long period of sitting. It prevents that stiff, locked up feeling you get when you finally stand up after landing. Number 5, curating your entertainment. Relying on in-flight entertainment or spotty, expensive Wi-Fi is a rookie mistake. A smart traveler is their own entertainment director. Before they even left for the airport, they've downloaded a wealth of content onto their devices. This means a few movies, a full season of a TV show, a curated playlist of podcasts, some new music albums, and an ebook or two. The moment they sit down, they're not frantically searching for something to watch, they're simply pulling out their device and their prepped headphones, ready to go. This digital nesting removes any anxiety about boredom. They have a customized menu of options that they know they will enjoy, ensuring the flight time passes quickly and pleasantly, regardless of what the airline is offering on that little screen in front of them. Number 4, the power-up ritual. There is nothing more stressful than seeing your phone or tablet battery at 10% with hours still to go in the flight. Smart travelers avoid this panic entirely with a simple power-up ritual. As soon as they sit down, they locate the power source. Whether it's a USB port in the seat back or an AC outlet near the floor, they immediately plug in their primary device and a portable battery pack to charge simultaneously. They have their charging cables untangled and ready in an accessible pocket of their underseat bag. This ensures that their devices are charging during the idle time of taxi and takeoff, and that they will have a full battery upon landing, which is crucial for navigating to a hotel, calling a ride, or pulling up a digital boarding pass for a connecting flight. Number 3, the snack and meal strategy. Airline food can be unpredictable in timing and quality. Smart travelers never leave hunger to chance. They first check if a meal is being served and when, but don't rely on it. They also bring their own stash of satisfying, easy-to-eat snacks, almonds, protein bars, or dried fruit. This gives them full control over what and when they eat, preventing any hangry moments and making the journey more comfortable and predictable. Number 2, the calm safety and route review. While many passengers tune out during the safety demonstration, smart travelers stay alert, practicing situational awareness. They locate the 2 nearest emergency exits, counting the rows to find them in the dark. Then they often check the flight map, noting the path, cities overhead, and progress. This turns the flight from a passive experience into an active journey, giving a sense of control and connection. Number 1, the arrival game plan. Forward-thinking travelers use quiet pre-takeoff moments to plan their arrival. They mentally walk through deplaning, baggage claim, rideshare pickup, and hotel transit. They may double-check a hotel address or train schedule. This rehearsal removes the stress and confusion that hits most travelers in unfamiliar airports. With a clear plan, they move purposefully while others look lost. Pro tip: if you're sensitive to turbulence, book a seat over the wings. An airplane is like a seesaw. The ends move most, while the center near the wings is more stable. It won't eliminate turbulence, but it can make the ride much smoother. So there you have it, the 11 things smart travelers do the moment they board. From securing essentials and sanitizing their space to planning their arrival, these small, intentional habits create a seamless, stress-free travel experience. Which tip will you try on your next flight? Let me know in the comments. For more travel hacks to make you a smarter, more confident traveler, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Until next time, travel smart and fly safe.